Welcome to my channel. Motorola MT8733 Wi-Fi Setup. Step 1. Unbox and check everything. Take the Motorola MT8733 out of the box and make sure you have the power adapter, Ethernet cable, and coaxial cable. Place the modem/router in a central location for the best Wi-Fi coverage. Step 2. Connect the coaxial cable. Connect the active cable line from your Internet Service Provider, ISP, to the coax port on the back of the MT8733. Tighten the connector securely. Step 3. Power on the device. Plug the power adapter into the MT8733 and press the power button. Wait for the modem to boot completely. The startup process can take up to 15 minutes while the modem connects to your cable network. Step 4. Activate your internet service. If this is a new installation, activate the modem through your cable provider, such as Xfinity. Complete the activation before configuring your Wi-Fi network. Step 5. Connect to the default Wi-Fi. Find the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, and Wi-Fi password printed on the label underneath the MT8733. Connect your phone, tablet, or computer using these credentials. Step 6. Install the MotoSync app. Download the MotoSync app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app, sign in or create an account, and scan the QR code on the bottom of your MT8733 to begin setup. Step 7. Customize your Wi-Fi network. Inside the MotoSync app, change your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and create a strong password. Use a unique password with letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Step 8. Connect your devices. Reconnect your phones, laptops, smart TVs, gaming consoles, and other devices using your new Wi-Fi name and password. You can also connect wired devices using the Ethernet ports. Step 9. Test your internet connection. Open a web browser and visit a few websites or run a speed test to confirm your internet connection is working properly. If everything loads correctly, your setup is complete. Step 10. Secure and manage your network. Enable automatic firmware updates if available, review parental controls, and manage connected devices using the MotoSync app or the web interface at 192.168.0.1 for advanced settings. Thanks for watching.